Hello and welcome to PriceYourOwnWindow.com. This is an introduction video to the website, to a new concept, I think, regarding quotes and estimates on your window project. I hope you find it informative. The first thing I'd like to address that I get a question on is why should I replace my windows, other than maybe seeing them steamed up and looking badly. The first obvious answer is energy conservation and saving money. You'd like a return on your investment. The new windows that are produced today, and I'll be talking specifically in the vinyl replacement window because that's I think one of the biggest bangs for the buck you can buy. And also getting some premium glass treatment, which a window, let's face facts, is primarily you're interested in the glass. So in discussing that, one of the main issues behind replacing your windows is energy savings, both on heating and cooling, because a good window slows down the transition of energy, which means for you keeping your air conditioning in your home in the summertime, as well as keeping your heating inside your home in the wintertime. Also, the newer windows and the better windows have a product or a component called low E or low emissivity. Low E is a coating, traditionally silver oxide, that is coated inside between the panes on the inner surface of glass. You can't touch it in general. That slows down transition, bounces back a lot of ultraviolet, which fades your draperies, your furnishings, carpeting, and that kind of thing, and adds to the efficiency of the window. Secondly, might be what you would call appearance. If your windows are very old, chipping of paint, faded badly, then it's an appearance issue. Operation of your windows. Some may not open very well, or some may have broken balances, or just are sticking. So the convenience of use, easy cleaning, most windows will tilt in for easy cleaning and that kind of thing, so it's a convenience issue. It adds truly to the value of your home. And by that I mean, on top of the appearance and on top of the efficiency, should you consider selling your home at some point in time? Let's say you don't replace your windows. A prospective buyer comes to your home and sees that you have dated windows, 15, 20, 30 years old, or a lot older even. In the back of their mind, they're considering the cost of replacing those windows as a new homeowner. So in their mind, they're thinking, oh, this could be $600, $800, $1,000 plus dollars per opening, because they've checked around and found, either through vinyl window replacements or wood replacements or fiberglass replacements or metal thermally broken window replacements, that some of these things can be very expensive. So they may walk in the door looking at your windows and just on the top of their head think this could be $800 to $1,000 a window. And start negotiating from that position, as well as negotiating generally on the house. So you see, that can add the value of saying, I've already taken care of this. Also, as a secondary issue, keep this in mind, that if they walk in and see windows that need replacing, it may bring up some questioning on what else you haven't done in maintaining your home. So I hope that helps a little bit on why replace your windows. Obviously, the newer windows, the windows I carry, which are made in Evansville, Indiana, we use frames and sash material from the largest vinyl extruder in the world, and of course you also carry that warranty with you. Okay, I hope this helps. Please review our other videos about pricing, about sizing and measuring your windows, and about sales and advertising methods and tactics that you may run into that may be aggravating or frustrating or whatever. And I think you'll find this site extremely helpful in that, and we would appreciate your feedback. We'd love your business if you like our pricing, and please don't be afraid to comment, ask questions, or give us a text or a call. Okay? Take care. Be well.